Parang Christmas lang. Christmas tree. Meron silang Christmas tree. Ang daming tao. Oh, ang daming tao. May mga bata. Ayan, may nag-slide. Kasi dyan, meron sila. There's a lot of people there. Too many people. Oh. There's others activity there also. Let me just check. Wow. A lot of people is waiting. A lot of people is waiting. Waiting and waiting and waiting. Why do you have to wait? There's other activities there out there. Oh, again sliding. Ooh. So this is a very nice activity, especially now that it's summertime, because it's very cold there. Oh, it's too sad. My battery is only 10%, so I'm gonna switch it off. And that's my cousin. %10 na lang ako. Woo! Okay guys, thank you for watching. It's only 10% remaining, so I'm gonna switch it off. Thank you so much. Bye. Now, how I'm going to switch it off. I don't know how I'm going to switch it off. Sliding. Hi Zia Dizim, thank you so much, but I have to sign off now because my battery is only 10% remaining. So this is a Dubai, sorry, Emirates Mall. Oh, sorry, Mall of the Emirates, Ski Dubai. Ski Dubai. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye. But where to switch off? OMG. Oh, I'm going to switch it. Oh, I'm going to switch off. No, paano kaya ito si-switch off? German. See, this is my beautiful cousin. Actually, I don't know how to switch off.
Ano yan, YouTube?
Oh, saan ka ba, Chef? Wala na akong battery.
Yan.
No.
Automatic, ano na yata yan? Save eh. YouTube yan?
Yep. How? If I close this, aburrito with a wild twist. Aburrito. Sure ka? Why there is no option?